Post video mga questions sa akin yan.
Ako ang nose-breed sa'yo.
Okay.
We are assigned to interview a prominent person and ask these few questions. Number 1, how old are you when you entered showbiz?
7 years old.
Number 2, what or who inspires you to be what you are now?
My eldest sister, si Ate Tintin.
Number 3, who inspires you to do magazine covers?
Hollywood celebrities.
Number 4, did you expect to be this famous?
No.
Why?
Answerable ba yes or no talaga? No.
Why?
For me kasi sa lahat ng bagay, don't expect too much or don't expect anything. Mas okay yung expect unexpected. Diba? So, alam mo ganyan, do your thing lang and let's see kung ano mangyayari.
Number 5, how do you handle failure?
Don't think of it. Wag mo ilagay sa sarili mo and wag mo isipin na kung sikat ka or something. Kasi pag inisip mo yun, ayun na, yun na yung nag-iiba na yung mga tao. Mawait ka.
If you weren't in showbiz now, what do you imagine yourself doing?
Normal college girl or maybe hindi, normal college girl lang or maybe nag-apprentice ako sa isang makeup artist. Yeah.
What humbles you?
What?
What humbles you?
Humbles me? Every time may nagka-compliment siguro sa akin. Tama ba? Nasagot ko ba ng tama?
What do you miss most doing when you still weren't in showbiz?
Being normal, syempre. Hindi naman, being normal. Kasi may limitations ka ngayon, may kang responsibilities, and hindi ka pwedeng, alam mo yun, you can't do anything na gusto mo kasi may mga tao na nag-idolize sa'yo. So, think twice before doing anything.
Do you imagine yourself doing sex roles in the future?
What? Sexy roles? Depende. Sexy roles in what way? Yung as in nagbo-bold? Or sexy roles na para action star na sexy, ganyan?
Mga ganun yun.
Yeah, okay naman. Hindi naman syempre every time sweet ka lang. Okay rin ako mag-explore ng iba, diba? Kasi yun yung gusto mo naman as an actor. Pero hindi naman yung super sexy. Maybe something new and something different from na nagawa ko.
Last question. To all your fans, do you have any words for them?
Yes, guys! Of course, thank you lang. Thank you so much talaga kasi without sa mga fans mo, wala ka kung ano kung meron mo yan, diba? Parang utang mo sa kanila lahat. And thank you lang talaga masasabi mo sa kanila kasi yung mga fans mo handa kang ipagtanggol, handa siyang sumuporta, handa pumunta sa taping, or ganyan. So, yeah, thank you so much guys. And ako and DJ loves you so much.
Thank you.